Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today I would like some help from you guys, and it helps me to kind of talk things through. Sephora Vib sale is here, and it's here early, which I'm like, no, like I need you to be later, not like the first week of payday, you know, because that's bad. That's bad for my wallet. But anyways, I want to go through products that are on my wish list. I know that I have the whole loves list, and I could not figure that thing out to save the life of me. So we are just going to go over my wish list that I wrote down of products that I am eyeing. I don't know if I'm definitely not going to buy all this stuff, but like it's in my thought process of what I want to get. So I would love your guys' opinions on all these things. Let me know things that if you guys are wanting to get them as well. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I upload at least 3 times a week, and I'd love to have you guys be part of my little family. So let's go ahead and without further ado, speak. Use your words. Let's go ahead and get to this video. Red Bull. No, it's not Red Bull, it's Monster. Okay, so in case you guys were wondering, this look will be up on my channel using the Pat McGrath palette. The only thing I changed out from that to this one was the lipstick. For some reason I was like, I have not used this one before, so I wanted to see how it looked, and I actually really like it. Anyways, not the point. So what I'm looking for the Sephora Vib, I'm looking at kind of a few things. Not a ton of eyeshadows on here. I'll start with those. I am wanting to get the Huda Beauty Nude palette. I don't think it's a nude palette. I would say like she should have named it like romantic palettes or something on those lines, because I think nude and I think of a lot of browns, and like the palette really has like no browns in it. But it does look gorgeous. I do love her Desert Dusk palette, and I did not love the rose one. So like the initial rose one. So I didn't pick that one up, but the last one I really liked, and this one does intrigue me. I love the pinks. So yeah, I am thinking about getting this one for sure. It is 65 bucks though, so if I can get it on sale, that would be great, because he's the pricey little sucker. Not like the rest of the stuff I've been buying isn't, but still. Next, let's go into concealers. Actually, no, for eyes, I have one more. I do kind of want the Marc Jacobs holiday glitters. I think I want the shade Topaz. I do watch Mel Thompson's videos, and that was what she recommended, and it's definitely one I don't have. I do have a lot of glitter eyeshadows. I have the Hourglass Scattered Light that I really don't use, so I don't know why I want another glitter pot thing, but Topaz Flash was one that I was keeping my eye on that I think is kind of unique compared to what I already have, so I might get that shade. But they're 28 bucks a pop, so you know. Next up, I am thinking about some concealers. I don't know where my obsession lately with concealers has gone, but it's happening. So right now on my eyes, I have under my eyes, I have the Huda Beauty concealer. I'm still testing out. I just got samples of different concealers the other day because I was like, I'm gonna test these out and then come back to it and see which one I really like. So I'm trying to decide between this one and the Cover FX one. It's weird. It's like the Huda one I think I like more with foundation. Like I'm just like, I love the bright effect it gives me, whereas the Cover FX one, like when I have no makeup on, I just want to like put a little bit of concealer before I leave, I'm just like, ooh, this is nice. Like I don't look dead, you know, like it's like a really nice concealer that lasts a really long time on me. So I'm kind of like, which one do I get, guys? Like, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. As far as, I don't have a lot of foundations. You guys will see this Get Ready With Me. I did buy the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter foundation. I don't think I consider it a foundation though, and I will have my first impressions of that in that video. But as far as foundation goes, I have been eyeing the Dior Backstage foundation for a while. So that's something I want your guys' opinion on. I kind of go both ways, where it's like I either have nothing on my face or full coverage on my face. I never have an in between, and to be quite honestly, I'm scared of foundations. Like I wear foundation now when I'm filming or I don't sometimes, and then I get a lot of shit for it. But I don't wear foundation unless I'm like really going out to like a nice place or like a nice event. But for the most part, I am not a foundation girl. I really just focus on the eyes and then do the rest of my face without foundation. I'm scared of breakouts. That's what it is. It's like I just don't like my skin to feel breaking out, and then I work at 2 different gyms and I just feel awkward with a full face of makeup. Like it feels heavy and just, yeah, I don't know. I think my biggest fear is just looking like one of those people where it's like you're like full makeup and then you see it without makeup and you're like, who is she? Like, where'd the other girl go? And I'm always scared of looking like that and then being afraid to look like my natural self, you know? So I never want to be that person, which is weird saying that as a YouTuber, but it's true. I want people to be able to recognize me all the time or not feel insecure when I'm not wearing a full face of makeup. Regardless, I still want this Dior Backstage foundation. I just haven't decided yet. But I also read some of the ingredients, and the alcohol thing kind of freaks me out. That's one of the ingredients in there, and I'm like, is that going to break my face out? I've read tons of reviews and no one has said it has, but I'm scared. I want my skin to be nice. So that is definitely something I'm looking at. I don't buy full-size perfumes often. Like, I would say that is the last thing that I want to spend money on. I am a makeup person. I love to spend my money on that. Workout clothes in general. Like, yeah. Perfume is always so expensive, and I feel like I can never find my perfect like scent. Like, either they're too sweet, they're not what I want, or I'm just really sensitive and it gives me a headache. So Samantha Ravindell recommended that vanilla, what is it called? Altier Vanille perfume, and I really want it. It's an expensive sucker, and I'm kind of thinking about getting the rollerball, that way I can try it out. Or I might just go into Sephora tomorrow morning and spray it and see how long it lasts on me throughout the day. Because that's something I don't like. If it doesn't last throughout the day, I'm just kind of like, well, what's the point? That this was $75 or $85. And I love vanilla scents, so I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that I love it. But I don't want to buy a full bottle without smelling it like how it smells on me, you know? My husband smells amazing. That is one of the things I always found like super attractive about him. But like, he has those like colognes where it's like, he gives me a hug and I'm like, oh, I can smell you on me, or I can smell it in our like pillowcases. Like, I want that type of smell. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Or is that creepy? Anyways, so that's something I am looking at. I don't have too much more. Pat McGrath, I really want to order one of the pretty lipsticks that are in the special packaging. I'm looking at the shade Christy, but I do already have a few of her nudes. I have Sextrology, I have Donatella, I have 1995, so I'm like, do I need another Pat McGrath nude shade? But I really just want it for that pink color. And then at the same time with Pat McGrath, I bought one of her lip glosses on the last one, and I love it. So I'm kind of just like, or do I just want to buy another one of those? I don't know, because they're both pricey. So that is something else I am looking at. Also, her lip liners, I always try to pick up one of those on a VIB sale because I love her lip liners. So many choices, you guys. I don't know. So many choices and not enough money is pretty much what's happening. Then I'm looking at 2 different sets. I'm not a big holiday set person. I don't know why. I'm just not. There's one that I watched someone's video on sets that they had exclusively to Sephora, and they had some good skincare sets in there that I was like, ooh, maybe I'll pick that up, because they had like Sunday Riley sample, like small sizes in there, and that's a good deal if that's in there for like less than 40 bucks. But the 2 sets I was also looking at was the Briogeo set, the hair and repair mask. I'm just very lazy when it comes to hair masks, where I have to wait a certain amount of time and then get back in the shower. I'm just not good at that. And then I'm just very picky about shampoos and conditioners now. I never used to be, but now I am. Like, right now my hair feels so nice and that's because I use the Way shampoo and conditioner, and I've literally been living off of samples of that for probably 6 months now. Like every time I go in Sephora, I get a sample of each, the conditioner, and it's mostly because I like that my hair feels soft. I love the smell. It just stays in my hair, which is very rare for me to have, like, find one that stays in my hair for a few days. So I really like the Way shampoo and conditioner, and then I fought against that and decided, like, to purchase the full size of the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner in the last Sephora Vib. And I gotta say, I don't know if I see what the hype is about those. I think maybe it's just my hair texture, but it doesn't leave my hair feeling soft. It leaves my hair feeling stiff. Like, I have very curly hair and dry hair, and when I use certain products, it makes my hair, like, pretty much if I was to go like this after I get out of the shower, like, yes, my hair just stuck out there, but it would, like, just stick out perfectly with that. I just don't like the texture that it gives me, and there's really no smell. I don't know why I'm very picky about the smell of things, but I'm just like, I want my hair to smell good, you know? I do. So, I don't know. I don't know if Briogeo smells good. Please let me know. But I really hope it does. But I've heard really good things, and I have very bad quality. You guys see how much I touch my hair? You have no idea how much I touch my hair the rest of the time. My hands are always curling and twirling my hair. Just the truth. And then the other set I'm looking at is the Bite Agave Lip Mask. It comes with like 3, and they don't look like super small. They look like decent size. And I smelled the maple in store, and the maple smells super good. But those little things, I love it, but they run away from me. I can never find where I put them. So I'm kind of just like, should I get this little 3 set and then, like, throw one in my purse, throw one in my gym bag, and that way I always have it, you know? But I don't need it. But it's only 18 bucks. But I don't need it. So I don't know. That's a maybe. And then lastly, I need some new brow products. I think, so this Benefit Brow one, this is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And I love this thing. Kind of. That's the thing. I kind of love this thing. Thing with Benefit brow products is I don't feel like they stay all day in my eyebrows. Like, I feel like they have a good 4 or 5 hour wear, and then it's off. I don't know if that's just because I'm working out and I'm sweaty, but the product seems to come off a lot faster than, like, say, like a brow pomade or a brow, you know, anything like that. But I love the applicator on this thing. I love that angled type thing rather than just the stick. I literally just, I can take 30 seconds, especially when now I have to be at work at 4:45 in the morning. This is perfect for me. Like, literally 30 seconds and I'm done. I will not leave the house without my eyebrows. That's the only thing I will not leave the house without. So I'm like, do I purchase this again or not? Because I don't think it's worth the staying power, but it's convenient, you know? So that is pretty much it for what I am thinking about getting. Let me know what you guys are thinking about getting. Any information on the products that I listed, your opinions, I always appreciate them, and I do take your guys' feedback, so I want to know what you guys are getting, what you think about the products, if you have any of the products I mentioned, and all that good stuff. Sephora Vib is among us. I will definitely be doing a haul once I get stuff in, and that is it. That concludes this video. I will see you guys in the next. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.